Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Grand Cherokee's oil change indicator. After performing an oil change, it is crucial to reset this system so your vehicle can accurately track its maintenance schedule. This simple process ensures your engine oil life monitor functions correctly, helping you stay on top of future service needs. Once successfully completed, the oil change required message will no longer appear on your dashboard. One common method involves your steering wheel controls. First, ensure your Jeep is in the on/RUN position, but do not start the engine. Use the arrow buttons on your steering wheel to navigate through the instrument cluster display. Find the vehicle info menu, then scroll to oil life. Once there, simply press and hold the OK button until the display shows 100% oil life. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. Another effective method uses the accelerator pedal. Begin by turning your ignition to the on/RUN position, again without starting the engine. Next, slowly and fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 separate times. It is important to complete all 3 presses within a 10-second window. After the third press, turn your ignition completely off. When you restart your vehicle, the oil change indicator should be reset and the message gone. Remember, always perform this reset only after you have actually changed your engine oil to maintain accurate service records. Vehicle models can vary, so always consult your owner's manual for any specific instructions unique to your Jeep Grand Cherokee. If the oil change light remains on after trying these steps, simply repeat the procedure. If it still persists, it might be time to consult a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.